Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Aulia Rahmawati, and today I would like to explain about CLL, or Community Language Learning. About Charles Curran. Charles Curran was an American pastor who invented the CLL learning method. Curran is actively engaged in the field of learning psychology, and he believes that if students are able to eliminate anxiety and feel calm in learning, then students will achieve a maximum results in learning. Therefore, teachers must be able to form a learning community that is able to help students overcome various problems they face studying. CLL is an implementation of the learning theory of cognitivism and constructivism, teaching students to be more responsible for their own learning and active in their own learning. And in CLL, the teacher is only a facilitator. The teacher acts as counselor and knower. A counselor, a person who gives advice to students overcoming psychological problems in learning. And knower, the person who gives knowledge to students. Help students if there is something they don't know. There are 8 types of CLL learning activities. As with most methods, CLL combines innovative learning tasks and activities with conventional ones. They include: the first is translation. A learner forms a small circle and a learner whispers a message or meaning he or she wants to express. The teacher translates it into and may interpret it in the target language, and the learner repeats the teacher's translation. The second is group work. Learners may engage in various group tasks, such as small group discussion of a topic, preparing a conversation, preparing summary of a topic for presentation to another group, and preparing a story that will be presented to the teacher and the rest of the class. The third is recording. Students record conversation in the target language. Transcription. Students transcribe utterance and conversation they have recorded for practice and analysis of linguistic forms. Fifth is analysis. Students analyze and study transcription of target language sentences in order to focus on particular lexical usage or on the application of particular grammar rules. 6 is reflection and observation. Learners reflect and report on their experience of the class as a class or in groups. This usually consists of expression of the feelings, sense of one another, reaction to silence, concern for something of say, and etc. And next is listening. Students listen to a monologue by the teacher involving elements they might have elicited to overhead in class interaction. And the last is free conversation. Students engage in free conversation with the teacher or with other learners. This might include discussion of what they learned as well as feelings they had about how they learned. In CLL, they have learner roles and teacher roles. The first is about learner roles. Stage 1. Learner repeats utterance made by the teacher in the target language and overhears the interchange between other learners and knowers. Stage 2, about learners begin to establish their own self-formation and independence by using simple expression and phrase they have previously heard. Stage 3, about learners will reason unified assistance provided by the knower parent at this stage. Stage 4, the learner must learn how to elicit from the knower the advanced level of linguistic knowledge, the knower process. Stage 5, learners refine their understanding of register as well as grammatically correct language use. They may become counselor to less advanced students while profiting from contact with their original knower. The second is about teacher roles. In the early stage of learning, the teacher operates in a supportive role, providing target language translation and a model for imitation on request of the clients. Later, interaction may be initiated by the student, and the teacher monitors learner utterance, providing assistance when requested. As learning progresses, students become capable and accepting criticism, and the teacher may intervene directly to correct their utterance, supply idioms and advice on usage and fine points of grammar. Saying about advantage and disadvantage of CLL learning. You can read. The advantage is it is comparatively easier to drive or conduct. It allows exploring topics and generating hypotheses. It creates opportunity to gather facts and figures from the group interaction, which concentrates on the topic of the research interest, and etc. And about the disadvantage, it is not based on a natural atmosphere. The researcher have less control over the data that are generated. It is not possible to know if interaction in group he or she contemplates or not the individual behavior, and the data analysis are more difficult to be done, and etc. For the conclusion is, community language learning is a maximally responsive technique that in terms of sensitivity to student communication intention. However, it should be noted that the justification of the communication is limited by the diversity and know-how of fellow students. Student preference for understanding or explicit technical phrase used in aerospace engineering don't get a good response in the genre of CLL. Okay, thank you, and sorry if there is a wrong words on or there is mistake for my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.